in here without effort, no dey easy to keep up like that. You know be say everybody wey no make am give up like that. Whose breast don't fall, no be say they no tie their breast. Those who settle for less, no be say they don't try their best. Those who commit, no be say they happy to buy their self. The pressure to overwhelm, now why some they hide their self. Many people on DND, they just they hide their self. Hello, meet the can of yours, skeleton inside their shell. Only want to monetize everything, economy gone well. Relationship gone to the business, says they improve new hotel. Like nothing for you, to but low big cartel. Childhood friends and relatives no go send you, go to well. Even brothers are no longer keepers for their brother. They go run you street if you know why, they might run you another. Good boy no can they play again. If you no do bad, you go suffer. But we go like shit, now every day me I dey ponder. May I show up no go day if luxury no to cost. We don't win so many battles, but at what cost? If you no can be money matter, nobody go one relate. Save journey, good health, freedom, go let you underrate. Sad generation, now only money they give us joy. We don't see the father sacrifice, now mommy they give us toy. So sad, but they say men are not supposed to cry, oh boy. Nobody really said until you are 6 feet under the soil.